Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our southbound journey along Interstate 77 in South Carolina. We're traversing a significant corridor that stretches approximately 91 miles from the North Carolina state line near Charlotte down to the state capital, Columbia. This route not only connects major urban centers, but also offers a glimpse into the state's rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Starting near the North Carolina border, we pass through York County, home to the Catawba River. This river is named after the Catawba Indian Nation, the only federally recognized tribe in South Carolina, whose reservation is located in this area. The Catawba have a deep-rooted history in the region, and their presence adds a profound cultural significance to the landscape. As we continue, we approach Rock Hill, one of the largest cities along I-77 in South Carolina. Rock Hill is known for its vibrant art scene and is home to Winthrop University, a public university founded in 1886. The city seamlessly blends educational pursuits with cultural experiences, making it a noteworthy stop along our route. Further south, the highway skirts the eastern edge of Fort Jackson, a prominent U.S. Army installation established in 1917. Covering over 52,000 acres, Fort Jackson is the Army's largest basic training center, training more than 50% of all soldiers and nearly 60% of female soldiers entering the Army each year. The fort's presence underscores the area's long-standing military significance. Our journey culminates near Columbia, the capital city of South Carolina. Established in 1786, Columbia was one of the first planned cities in the United States. The city played pivotal roles during the Civil War and the Civil Rights Movement, with landmarks and museums that narrate its storied past. Today, Columbia is a hub of education and culture, housing the University of South Carolina and a myriad of museums, theaters, and galleries. Throughout this drive, Interstate 77 serves as more than just a roadway. It acts as a conduit through the heart of South Carolina's historical and cultural landscape. From indigenous heritage and military landmarks to educational institutions and urban centers, this route offers travelers a comprehensive view of the state's diverse identity.
Thanks for watching!